Raja Mansi and Mriganayani. And who has given Kriti? Who has given Kriti? त्याग राजा के बाद कौन आते हैं? Tell me. Yes, Muthuswami Dikshittar. Understood? So Gitam के बाद आप क्या सीखेंगे? Tell me. Gitam के बाद there is a Gitam is very easy, melodious. Yes. And then thereafter we have seen there is a what? Swar Jati, there is a Pallavi, Anupallavi, and there is a Charnam. It is a little complex. And after that we have to see learn Jati Swaram. So Jati Swaram is acting as a breeze between, yes or not? और उसके बाद वर्णम पे आ जाते हो तो फिर वहां से वर्णम से सभा गानम का it is acting as a breeze between. So Jati Swaram is a breeze between and then Varnam is also breeze between. But वहां से आप सभा गानम आ गया and is coming and the स्वर Jati Swaram is a what? अभ्यास गानम. Kriti. Kriti is Drupad of North. Kriti is the highest musical form. It has many features in common with the Drupad of Hindustani music. ये सब चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. Which one is similar to that? Which one is similar to that? Muthuswami Dikshittar is known for composing many kritis in the Drupad style. और इसमें क्या क्या होता है? What is there? Clear cut division in terms of Pallavi, Anupallavi and Charnam. Understood? और यही चीज मैंने किस में बात किया था? स्वर जाति में. स्वर जाति is becoming little difficult on the basis of whom? Pallavi followed by Anupallavi and at after every Charnam there is a what? Pallavi is being in the repetition. And that is in a very clear cut Kriti. So there is a Swar Jati and Kriti. Can you remember? And then Kriti is a Drupad of Hindustani music. Understood? Kirtanam. आप जानते होंगे, you must have heard about it, Kirtanam. And the Kirtanam can be considered as a precursor to the Kriti from the music. So Kriti आने से पहले Kirtanam. Kriti समझ में आ चुका है? And then they are generally composed and performed in the praise of God. It has birth in about 14th century. And then Kirtana, the lyrics are more important than swaras. तो यदि आप कीर्तन करते हैं तो there is an स्वर is very much important और lyrics is very much important. बीच में ऐसा ना हो कि संस्कृत वर्ड के कुछ भगवान को उल्टा सीधा कह देना. So I said that God's words and the correct words should be pronounced. Lyrics is very much important rather than the swaras. And thereafter Kirtanam. And then we have been seeing Javali. Which one I said that? Yes, Java. Which one I said that? Java script. Which script? And it is a composition related to light classical music. It is in a musical form primarily used during the dance. And most Javalis are set in the Madhya Makala or medium speed. Javalis कैसे गाते हैं? Medium speed. Madhya Makala. And then they mostly express simple themes including love and other emotions and expressed between a man and woman. And Javalis are the songs which are sensuous in nature. They are composed in Telugu, Kannada and Tamil. They are similar to the Thumri of Lucknow and Banaras. Understood? Which one I am talking about? Very light. वहाँ पर भी हमने क्या देखा था? Talas and the ragas are very light, simple. If you remember, and it is an erotic, and then what we have seen? Sensuous, romantic. And यहाँ पर भी क्या दिख रहा है? Java. And then कभी-कभी साउथ के मूवीज में सडनली आप कोई सॉन्ग देखते हो ना, डांस इज आल्सो गोइंग ऑन एंड देन very slowly it is moving. Yes or not? Medium speed. Which is speed? Javli, Java, Javli sound. What of man? Slow, medium speed. How it is moving? ये क्रिस भाई साहब है, कृति, डिफिकल्ट. So, जब रेगुलर क्लास लेता हूँ तो कुछ कुछ शब्दों को यूज करता हूँ here and there and all. जब टाइम की क्राइसिस होती है then I'll go for. So I said that कृति and then I said जावली. समझ में आ गया? It is similar to what? ठुमरी. Yes or not? Which one I said that? कृति is similar to Drupad and then JavaScript is similar to ठुमरी of North. And the light classical melodies is primarily used for during dance, and then most javlis are set in the Madhya Makala and medium speed, and this is mostly express simple themes including love, emotions, sensuous between what is in a man and woman, and javlis are songs which are sensuous in nature. They composed which are the three languages? Telugu, Kannada, and then Tamil. Understood? So Tillana, T for Tillana, T for Tarana. Tarana क्या था? Yes, tell me. Initial words in the bolts are in the rhythmic and thereafter fast tempo. Understood? Tarana. So Tillana, it is what is the Tarana of Hindustani music? Tillana, याद है ना? Tillana कौन कौन सा देखा था? Yes, tell me. First हमने बोला था yes, वर्णम, वर्णम के बाद कृति, वर्णम, कृति, पदम, जावली, एंड जावली के बाद आई सेड दैट चिल्लाना. और कैसे? राग में घर में छुप कर मल्लिका के अगेंस्ट. आई सेड दैट सिमिलर टू द ठुमरीज ऑफ Tillana are similar to Tarana of Hindustani music. It is originated in the 18th century. They are popular both in the music concert and during dance programs. Tillanas can range from the what is the simple to the most complex in terms of the rhythmic arrangements, and usually begins with the jatis. Jatis समझते हैं? Lots of instruments, swaras, and then shrutis. Swaras and aroharam. The sahitya of Tillana may be Sanskrit, Telugu, or Tamil. याद रहेगा? Sahitya of it is related to what? Malayalam, Telugu, Sanskrit. Which one I said that? Sanskrit, Tamil, or Telugu. Understood? ध्यान में रखना. And then I said that Mr. किसके बारे में बात किया था हमने? Mr. Which one? Javali. And Javali क्या है? Yes, tell me. कौन कौन से लैंग्वेज में है? It has been composed in which language? Telugu, Kannada, and then Javali is similar to the Thumri of North, and Tillana is similar to Tarana of North. And then I said that Tarana में आप देखते हैं musical, and then मजे करने के लिए yes fast tempo. Okay ना? And then I said that Sanskrit, Telugu or Tamil. Pallavi is a form of creative music. It is similar to the khayal of Hindustani music. Pallavi music, and Pallavi is in a what? Initial words. So Hindustani music से related कौन है? Pallavi. Pallavi is a khayal, similar to khayal. Yes. कितने ख्याल पालते हो लाइफ में? आपकी लाइफ में कितने ख्याल है? How many ख्याल imagination of your life? So many. Yes, and always used to imagine. And उस सारी imagination में चला जाता है. Always when you imagine something by seeing something, you can have a long time recall. So I said that which are the we have seen? Tell me. Tillana. So first I said that Kriti. तो हमने कौन देखा? First I said Gitam, and then first I said that Gitam is a very easy, simple, and melodious. Thereafter I said that which one? Swar Jati, and Swar Jati has Pallavi, Anupallavi, and Charanam. Little complex. And thereafter Jati Swaram, and Jati Swaram is very much necessary to learn before going to Varnam. And Varnam, you know that once you will come into the Varnam, it is in a what is in a buffer zone between. I said that Sabha Ganam and Abhyas Ganam. And when you have been able to learn Varnam, and then Varnam has a very not so much of Sahitik teaching and all. It is very less Sahitik teaching. And then then next one we have seen. क्या हमने देखा था after कृति, and कृति में हमने क्या बोला? पल्लवी, अनुपल्लवी, चरणम, and there is another but clear cut. But in case of, I said that Swar Jati, maybe there is an award, also there is a Pallavi, Anupallavi, but here is a very clear cut, so therefore it is a very hard. And is similar to the Drupad style of North. And then we have seen after that, कौन सा देखा हमने? Javali. And then Java script, and then हम script कैसे चलता है? Yes. And then our which one I said that? Thumri. So and then rhythm starting में, rhythm understanding, and then fast tempo. Understood? And then similar one I said that Tilana Tarana. Tilana Tarana. Understood it? And उसके बाद Pallavi is similar to the Khayal of North. Qawwali. Who has given the Qawwali? So we finished with Carnatic music. We have finished with Carnatic. Yes, tell me Khayal, which is similar to the Khayal. Pallavi. Khayal कितने पालते हो? Khayal Pallavi. And thereafter which one I said that? Khayal के बाद Thumri. Thumri is similar to the which one? South Carnatic music. Javali. Yes or not? ठुमका लगा रहे थे जावा स्क्रिप्ट में, दिख रहा है स्लो मुझसे. एंड देयर आफ्टर अब तो जावा स्क्रिप्ट में वैसा ही हो गया, कोई पूछता ही नहीं. I said that another I said next Tilana, and Tilana it is Tarana, and Kriti is Drupal. The next one we are seeing that Qawwali, and then it is in India. It is brought from Persia around 13th century AD, and the Sufis enlisted in the services to spread their masses. Qawwali. The Sufis, who spread these masses? Sufis enlisted its services to spread their masses. And who contributed in this one? Amir Khusro contributed to the evolution of Qawwali. And he incorporated the meaningful words into the Qawwali. And then Ghazal has how many shapes? Maximum 12, minimum 7. Thereafter I said that it is sung in a group and one or two lead singers. Groups along with what? One or two lead singers. And it is a fascinating interchanging use of the what? Solo and choral modalities. Solo we got there, and then there is a backside में chorals. And ये आप लोग थोड़ा सा देख लेना. I say Sabad, that is in the, it is in the what? क्या बोलते हैं? Guru Nanak वहाँ पे जाते हैं. You will see जो आप if you enter into Gurudwara, there is a Sabad there. So Sabad, Bhajan, Kirtan, ये सब आप लोग पढ़ लेना. Understood? And थोड़ा सा मैं कुछ चीजें और दिखा दूँ ऐसे. So which are the raga on the basis of time? Tell me which are the ragas? ये सारा इसमें नहीं रहेगा आप लोगों को. Which are the raga on the basis of time? Bhairav raga down just before the morning, and then Megh raga, yes, Megh raga, and then it is till 12 o'clock. After that Deepika, then which? Sri, and Sri raga. After that Sri के बाद कौन? कौशिका एंड हिल रहे थे, डोल रहे थे तो पकड़ लिए, कौश के पकड़ लिया. हिंडोला, एंड हिंडोला कब होता है? यस टेल मी. कौशिका हिंडोला नाइट में. एंड देयर आफ्टर मिड नाइट मल्लिका. ऐसे ही याद रखो, मल्लिका बाद में मल्लुका हो जाएगा. एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू सी भैरव. विच वन आई सेड दैट? भैरव कब होता है? टेल मी. डॉन, DAWN, just before the morning. It is in a lot of raga emanated from the throat of Shiva. It is coming through the throat of what I said that? Shiva. And the rag Vilavla. Which rag I said that? याद है ना, मैंने कभी बोला होगा Vilavla. The most important, it is in a rag putra. Raga has been divided into what? Tell me first. Raga has been divided into Ragini and Rag putra. And the Ragini is what? Wife of Raga. And Rag putra is the son of Raga. तो यहाँ पर भैरव का कौन है? विल्लाल देव. नाम सुना है विल्लाल देव का? कौन है विल्लाल देव? हाँ, बाहुबली. भैरव का ही बेटा लग रहा था. आई सेड दैट. हमने क्या बोला? विच वन आई सेड दैट? रागा विल्लाल. सो आई से विलावला. भैरव's rag putra, charm and love. मतलब उसको चार्म एंड लव के लिए अपने भाई से भी लड़ लिया. क्लियर? सो विच आर द टू रागास? पहला भैरव, एंड भैरव के साथ किसको ऐड किया? जस्ट टेल मी. अरे अरे वो तो है, शिव के थ्रोट से आ रहा है, दैट इज ओके. विलावल, राग विलावल इज न राग पुत्र ऑफ राग भैरव, राग पुत्र ऑफ, अंडरस्टूड, राग पुत्र ऑफ राग भैरव, अंडरस्टूड, याद रहेगा. एंड आफ्टर द राग भैरव which ragas comes? Tell me. अरे श्री रागा नहीं comes. Which raga comes? मेघ रागा. Which raga? And then rag megh. Yes or not? Megh raga. And megh raga, it is in the morning time. That is from the morning till 12. Megh raga, that is in a cloud and all rains are there. And then Ragini of Megh Raga, Vipasa Basu. कौन है? Ragini Vipasa. Who is the Ragini? So that is in a Megh Raga ki who is the wife? Vipasa. Vipasa Basu. और आपको पता भी हो कि विपाशा बसु से क्या चीज रिलेटेड होगा? कामदेव एंड रति. कामदेव एंड रति. It is connected with the Ragini of Rag Megha. Rag Megha, who is the Ragini? Yes, tell me. Vibhasha. Vipasha Basu. So, yes, tell me, who is this Raga? Raga Bhairav. And who is the son of it? Raga Villavla. Understood? Raga Villavla. Charm and love. And the Rag Bhairav, you know that in the morning it is happening. It is in the sound come through the throat of Shiva. Rag Bhairav. Then Rag Megha. And then after that, ये राग भैरव कब होता है? Before morning. Before morning. And it means dawn. And thereafter there is a Raga Megha. And the Megha is from that is in the morning. And the morning में आपके सामने कौन आ गई? रागा विभाषा, कामदेव एंड रति. एंड देन आई सेड दैट, हम लोगों ने उसके बाद क्या देखा था? दीपिका. विच वन आई सेड दैट इन द व्हाट इज इन आफ्टरनून में व्हाट इज देयर? दीपिका एंड श्री रागा. विच आर आई सेड दैट? दीपिका एंड Sri Raga and Deepika. Sri Raga, I said that it is emanated from the sound of the various swords and the twang of their bows, and then swords are fighting. The words which is the sound which is coming during the war. Swords. And then arrow. These are which raga?